Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're in for more changes to the GMADE BOM. We'll be looking at some option parts for the body, and the first thing we're going to look at is the black grille parts, detail parts. You see these are all black, and mirrors for those side mirrors right here, as well as new body mounting hinge. Alright, here are the new plastic detail parts going on, and they're all black. Now I'm not going to be putting the grille on yet. I do want the grille black, but I want these light buckets to be chrome. So what I'm going to do is use some Molotow chrome markers to paint those in. So I'll do that later, and we'll do the grille when I get that finished. For right now, we'll just deal with the door handles and the mirrors. And for the mirrors, we'll also be using these right here. Now in hindsight, I could probably just have taken some Lexan, painted it silver in the back, you know, cut it out to the right shape and put it on the mirror, but it's okay. Might as well just try this out. There's one mirror complete. Two mirrors complete. Alright, now I'll move on to painting the front grille light buckets, and we'll be right back. Alright, back. Now I've painted the light buckets with Molotow chrome marker sets right here, and I'll put a link to these markers in the video below. So you can see how the light buckets are nice and chrome now, and once I get the 3M tape that comes with it, or with the kit, I can 3M it to the body, and you'll see that the light buckets are chrome and reflective. So we'll be back when I get that on. Alright, now that we've got the front grille in, we're going to move on to the cage hinge and kind of explain this to you. So the stock cage hinge is plastic piece, which is right here, but it doesn't really stay in. So you can open the body like this, but you could also pull it out really easily like that because it's not actually locked into the mount supports here. If being able to completely remove the body easily is what you want, then you can just stick with these plastic hinge pieces right here. Now, if you want to actually bolt the body in and have it only tilt open and not actually pull out, then you can use this piece here, which actually has a screw hole to let you kind of lock it in place. So we're gonna actually go ahead and do that right now. And this is what comes with these parts. And there you have it. You now have a tilting body hinge that does not come off and stays in place. Thanks for watching.